Labab moment here. Hello and welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, karibu sana, welcome. So on this channel I strive to give you your light bulb moment by creating content that teach you something new that you've not known before, or something that you might not have full knowledge of. So in this particular video, I'll show you how to use the Google Keep Notes application, which comes with any Android phone. It's a built-in application, and alternatively, if it's not if you in your phone, you can go ahead and download it on Google App Store. So let's click on it. So for you to be able to consume it, you need to have logged in. You'll notice up here that I'm logged in as letbamoment@gmail.com. So for you to enjoy this particular app, again, it is important for you to have an email account. So let's come down here on the navigation pane below and see what we have. So on the check icon here, you can be able to create a list of items which you can check off on the go. And then also you can be able to doodle some things. Also you can be able to record, and also you can be able to insert an image on it. So you can take a photo or you can choose an image. The purpose of this video is to show you how to use a list. So basically I would want us to create a shopping list. So at the top here, we can give it a title, shopping list. And then we can begin to add items to it. Let's say milk, bread, eggs, butter, drinking chocolate, tea, bags. You can add whatever you want to buy at the supermarket. Just go ahead and include that, sausages, etc. So if you want something to be a child of a specific item, you just swipe on it as you drag it towards your right, and it's going to automatically be placed under something else. Otherwise, if you want it to stay on the same indentation side, you can just leave it as it is. So we have our shopping list ready. At the top here, we have this pin button. Just click on it, or rather pin icon. When you go back, our list will be pinned and it will be a top item here. It is important to pin because as you go along, you'll have created many lists and you don't want them to get lost down here. So whenever you create a new list, just pin it so that it comes on top. So when you go to the supermarket, you'd essentially open the shopping list, and as you buy things, you'd check on this checkbox and tick off things that you've bought. If you buy bread, you tick it off, eggs, tick it off, tea bags, tick it off, sausages, tick it off. When you buy things, you just go ahead ticking off, and you will notice that you've bought everything and you can be able to check off. Again, at a later date, if you feel you want to reuse this shopping list, you just click on it and pick the items that you want to buy. So down here under ticked items, you can unselect milk and it will come at the top, butter and it will come at the top, cooking oil and it will come at the top. So I hope that you've learned something. Again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly subscribe, and most importantly, do not forget to like and leave me a comment down below on what you'd like to see in the next video. Goodbye.